Hi kiddos! Today we're going to read the story called What Makes That Sound by Claire Rapp. Gabby is walking in the park. What sound does she hear? Remember, say hi Gabby. There she is in the park and she's hearing sounds with her ears. Can you touch your ear? Gabby hears crackle, crackle, crackle. What makes that sound? Do you think a leaf or bike makes the crackle sound? Leaves make that sound. Can you find leaves in your yard to make the crackle, crackle, crackle sound? Leaf. Gabby hears peck, peck, peck. What makes that sound? Do you think a dog or a bird makes the peck sound? You can touch or say your answer. The woodpecker or bird makes the sound. Can you go outside and use your ears to listen for birds making that sound? Gabby hears strum, strum, strum. What makes that sound? Do you think a bus or guitar makes that sound? Touch or say your answer. A guitar makes that sound. Can you pretend to play your air guitar? Or maybe you have a guitar in your house. Gabby, hi Gabby, is listening to the boy play his guitar. Play. Gabby hears ding, ding, ding. What makes that sound? Do you think a bell or cat makes that sound? Touch or say your answer. The bell makes that sound. The bell is on the bike. Touch the bike. Gabby hears rumble, rumble, rumble. What makes that sound? I see dark clouds in the picture. Can I guess what makes that sound? Does a car or a thunderstorm make the rumble sound? Touch or say your answer. The thunderstorm makes that sound. It looks like it's going to start raining. Can you look out your window? Does your sky look the same or different than Gabby's? Thunder makes Gabby walk home. The end.